Looking for a powerful solution to extract emails in any email service? If yes, download the BitRecover Email Extractor Wizard software designed with special features. To know more about the software, please watch the video. Simple software interface is an advantage of this utility. As you can see, the software provide all the possible option for extract emails, like Gmail, Yahoo, IMAP email, and many more. We selected the Gmail option. Enter the email account credentials, like email address and password of the account. Use batch mode option, if you want to extract multiple accounts' emails. To use this option, user need to upload a CSV file with respective account credentials. Another helpful feature is use proxy mode. This option helps to extract email data using a proxy server connect. Then, click on the Login button to continue the process. Now, the software lists all the mailboxes from your online account. So, please check the required mailbox and unmark the rest folder to continue the process. File naming option, you can choose file name as per need. Go to Change button and pick a location to save extracted emails. Now, let's understand the advanced functions of the tool. Go to Filter option. Now, check the filter options provided by the software that includes advanced settings for selective backup, allowing filtering emails using a date range, from, and subject options. Finally, go back to Extract option. Click on Extract button to start the process for extracting emails. User can view the live extraction process in the software interface. After extraction completes, the software provide a completion message. The trial edition of the software allows extract first 25 emails per folder. At last, the toolkit provides a log.txt report containing all the information of the migration process. Now, you will see the resultant folder. Click on it and get extracted emails.